going to influence society the most in the long run? Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. I already have my answer. It would be Elon Musk. Think about it. As important as Steve Jobs was, no doubt about it, you have to add him to Bill Gates because they birthed the personal computing revolution together. Here's the difference. Elon Musk is trying to invent a future not by providing the next app. Why do I hear millennials say, oh, it would be awesome if you could pass the salt? Is that how you're using the word awesome? Excuse me, when I was growing up, awesome was applied to when we walked on the moon, when we cured disease, major societal advances. That's what we applied the word awesome to. And so what Elon Musk is doing is not simply giving us the next app that will be awesome on our smartphone. No, he is thinking about society, culture, how we interact, what forces need to be in play to take civilization into the next century. And it has to do with transportation. It has to do with space exploration. Why? Because there's unlimited resources in space. Resources that on Earth we fight wars over. In space, you no need to fight a war. Just go to another asteroid and get your resources. A whole category of war has the potential of evaporating entirely with the exploitation of space resources, which includes the unlimited access to energy as well. That's where Elon Musk is. Those are the kind of people who transform not only society and the apps that are on your computer, he will transform civilization as we know it. Elon Musk is deeply respected by everyone who works in his company, by anyone who owns a Tesla. People who own Teslas love their Tesla, all right? There aren't many cars that have that relationship with their owners. Anyone who knows and cares about space exploration knows and cares about Elon Musk. And there's a subset of them who say, other people don't realize it yet, but we are on the frontier of the future of civilization. I don't think he gets his full due from all sectors of society, but ultimately he will, when the sectors that he is pioneering transform the lives of those who are currently have no clue that their life is about to change. Go Elon Musk, and I don't care if he gets high.